Assalamualaikum and have a pleasant day. I bid to Dr. Muhammad Hairul bin Hamidun. So today, before I started the introductory part of this presentation, I would like to introduce the group members of my group. Okay, so first we have Muhammad Zulhilmi, Muhammad Shahir, Haryanti, Nur Shafika and myself, Nur Afni. So the title of this project is Infiltration Measurement. So, what is infiltration? Infiltration is the process where water on the surface of rock and soil being absorbed into the ground. So, in this project, we're focusing on the infiltration rate, and through this infiltration rate, we can see the infiltration efficiency. In this project, we chosen two different infiltration measurement. The first one is rainfall simulator, as you can see in the figure, and the second one is a bit different, which is ring infiltrometer. So we will proceed to the next presenter.
Hi, my name is Haryanti binti Moksin. I'm going to talk about one of the infiltration measurement method, that is rainfall simulator. Rainfall simulator is a device used in soil science and most commonly in hydrology to study how the soil reacts to the rainfall. One of the reasons why we use simulated rainfall event is to speed up the study of infiltration, erosion, surface runoff, and leaching. The simplest rainfall simulator are built to qualitatively demonstrate what happened to the soil during the rainfall event. These are the few types of outdoor and indoor rainfall simulator. Using the rainfall simulator, there are few considerations that we need to consider in terms of practical and operational consideration. As for practical consideration, to make sure the rainfall simulator works perfectly fine, power resource, water supply and access of rainfall simulator to the site of investigation is needed. As for operational consideration, we need to setting up the large machine, collecting through, piping the runoff, recording the volume of the runoff and weight of the soil, and lastly, the amount of simulated rainfall during the test needed to be measured.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will be presenting the infiltration method that is under unlimited water supply conditions, which is ring infiltrometer. It consists of single ring and double ring method. Single ring method using one ring of 30 cm diameter, while double ring method added another outer ring that is used to ensure the vertical movement of water from inner ring and also to reducing leakage. The advantages of this method is that both conveniently applied to field conditions because of the simple experimental apparatus and also straightforward mathematical model. But the problem with this method is it is used to control inflow rate instead of initial soil infiltrability, so it is hard to measure original soil infiltrability. The second one is this method cannot be used on a sloping soil surface. For double ring only, the soil structure will be disturbed when both of the ring is forced into the soil.
Summary: the ring infiltro is a simple instrument for determining the rate of water penetration into the soil. The amount of water per surface area and time unit that penetrates the soil determine the infiltration rate. Multiply measurement can be carried out at the same time, resulting in a very accurate and precise result. It is critical to consider numerous elements that may influence the measurement, including surface, vegetation, the extent to which the soil have been compacted, soil moisture content, soil layer, in order to produce good measuring finding strata. Rainfall simulator can be used to evaluate soil infiltration rates. In hydrology, a rainfall used to investigate the infiltration of rainwater into the soil. and can also be used to examine the impact of precipitation. This method also can be used to investigate the infiltration of rainfall into soil. The study of erosion, surface runoff, and leaching is considered accelerated by using stimulate rainfall event. In general, relative high initial soil infiltrability cannot be measured.
My name is Nushafika binti Abdullah, and as conclusion for our projects, the rain stimulator data and the rain infiltration is an infiltration method. And as stated in the article, the rain stimulator is a study of a soil reaction to the rainfall, and it's proven technically could increase the study speed of the erosion and the surface runoff. And the rain infiltration is a method of infiltration that used to determine the field of saturated hydraulic conductivities of a surface soil. And the rain infiltrations method is suitable for almost all types of the soil, excluded the stony soil, the clogging soil, and the soil with the steep slope. For our project review recommendation, the rain stimulator can be useful method for some purpose but might not suitable for other. And the objective of the project will be the factor when to choose the most appropriate type of stimulator. And for the rain infiltration technique, the depth of the placement depth need to be kept as limited as possible so it will not disturb the top layer soil. And if the horizontal insertion of the infiltration ring and the driving is not successful, then we will need to consider to choose another spot for measuring, as it may be disrupted by the stone or the planned route.